Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about money laundering and how do people do it. To begin, 800 billion to 200 trillions of dollars are estimated to be laundered each year. In simple terms, money laundering is making dirty money clean. Cash obtained from legal transactions such as a drug deal will be funneled into a legitimate business to not raise suspicion from authorities. The 3 steps to laundering money are the initial deposit, layering, and the final result. The first step is best told with an example from history. The infamous gangster Al Capone bought laundromats and deposited his money in there, hence coining the term laundering. This way, if the laundromat truly made $500 a day, they would report sales at $1,000. This way they could slip the dirty money in and hide it as legitimate. Now after this step comes layering. One thing criminals hate more than going to jail are paying taxes. And as profits in the legit business would grow from the added money, the more taxes they needed to pay. To counter this, they would layer the money. Now this involves pushing the money through multiple transactions, such as moving to an overseas company, overseas investments, or real estate. For example, Al Capone can move money from his laundromat to an offshore account, then to a shell company, then he could buy real estate when it comes back. Now this leads to a complex scheme that's difficult for authorities to crack down on. And after this is the final step, which is receiving the legitimate money. Through all the washing, the money is now clean and available to use. The money can then be invested into another business which future cash can be laundered through, or they can purchase assets like art that is not easily regulated and can be shockingly expensive, a great place to hide money. Now you're probably asking, how was money laundering detected? And money laundering can be busted in numerous ways, such as a jealous coworker, a strict law-abiding worker, or by the government and banks investigating your suspicious activities. Now the first 2 can be dealt with by keeping your activities to yourself. The banks have trained professionals to discover fraud and financial schemes. They'll look into expensive investments you've made. So if you had $5,000 in your account for years and are suddenly driving a Lambo and living in a luxury penthouse, you'll have some explaining to do, and you'll most likely get busted. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.